This video will show you how to set the print area in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheet. Now, you highlight or select the area you want to print. Then, you click on the Page Layout tab and select Set Print Area. You select the print area, then you click on Set Print Area. Now, you go to the Views tab and select Page Review, Page Break Review. You'll see how the selected areas are distributed on pages. And if you have many data on your sheets and you want to include a value in the print area, you just drag it and drop it in the blue line or in the yellow line as displayed on the screen. You can also change the page orientation by clicking on the Page Layout tab then click on Orientation and you select whatever orientation you want. It could be the portrait or landscape. After this is being set, now go to the File tab at the top of the screen and click on Print. In the arrow beside it, you will see Print Preview. You click on it and you see how your files looks like, how it looks like before printing. Then you go ahead and click on Print. To switch to the original sheet, you can click on the Views tab and select Normal, or you come to the bottom of your screen and select this arrow, this icon, which is showing the normal icon. You select it. So that is how you set print areas in Excel. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Bye guys, see you in the next video.